In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, copy, and paste a comparison table using Perplexity AI, a powerful tool for generating structured information seamlessly. So whether you're preparing for a presentation, writing a report, or just organizing information for personal purposes, this guide will help you through the process with easy-to-follow steps. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Perplexity.ai. Once the website loads, log in with your credentials. If you haven't used Perplexity before, you'll need to create an account, but it's quick and straightforward. Logging in ensures you have full access to Perplexity's vast features. Once logged in, you'll be at the main interface where you'll input your query. In the text box, type something like, "Make a table comparing iPhone 15, Samsung S23, and Google Pixel 8. This request prompts Perplexity to generate a comparative table of these popular smartphone models, detailing their specifications and key features. After a moment, the table will appear on your screen. To select the entire table, click at the top left corner and hold down the mouse button. Then, simply drag your cursor to the bottom right corner. You'll see the table highlighted, indicating it's ready to be copied. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl+C to copy the table. If you're using a Mac, press Command+C. This copies the table to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now, navigate to your target document such as Word, Google Docs, Excel, or Notion. Really, any platform where you wish to insert your table. Once there, position your cursor at the spot where you want the table. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On a Mac, use Command+V. This pastes the table from your clipboard into your document. Sometimes when you paste the table, the formatting may not be quite right. If you find that the columns aren't lining up as expected, one workaround is to paste the table into Excel or Google Sheets. These applications are adept at handling tables and will automatically align the columns for you, providing a cleaner look. Alternatively, if formatting issues persist and you're looking for a more flexible solution, go back to Perplexity and ask for the same table in CSV format. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a plain text file that can be opened by most spreadsheet applications, making it a versatile choice for maintaining proper alignment. Furthermore, if you prefer, you can also request the table in Markdown format. Markdown is a lightweight markup language used for creating formatted text using a plain text editor, ideal for various platforms, particularly those geared toward web content. With these tips and methods, you can efficiently create and use tables tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to return to Perplexity for all your data organization and comparison questions.